Hello again. I hope everybody is doing well and still learning lots and lots. I have some numbers today that we can review. Remember we do our numbers in circles. You can count things around the house and then you can find the right number, right? So these are numbers. Are these letters? Do these make words? No. These are numbers. So these are things that we can count that show how many. So, what number is this? This is number 2. Number 2. Here's a new number. What number is this? That's right. It is number 3. Can you say 3? Good job. Here's a larger number. Number 8. Maybe today you can count out 8 toys or 8 Legos at your house. This is number, which one is it? Everyone say 8. Good job. Oh, here's a small number. It is number 1. So maybe your moms and dads may say that you can have 1 cookie. Just 1. Here's another number. It is number 4. You may be 4 years old. Maybe you're about to be 4. Or maybe you were just 4 years old last year. What number is this? Everyone say 4. Here's another number. Number 5. You may be 5 years old today. Maybe you can find 5 things to count today. Maybe 5 goldfish snacks if that's what you have at your house. Here's another number. It's number 6. Can you say 6? When you're 6 years old, you will be in kindergarten. What number is this? 6. Good job. Oh, here's a bigger number than 6. It's number 7. Lucky 7. Some people think that this is their lucky number. When you're older, you'll be 7 years old. What number is it? Say 7. And here's the largest number that I have. It's the most. It's number 10. A 1 and a 0, when you put them together, it makes number 10. What number is it? Everyone say 10. And 1 less than 10 is number 9. What number is it? Number 9. It's a circle with a stick. Now remember, these are all numbers. So we can count. Are these letters? No, these are numbers. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.